Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we've got Indian food. I've got my older sister here. Good Jan.
Hi everyone.
Long time no see. Yeah, so we've got our usual guys. I'm gonna save my biryani for the next video, I promise you guys. So we just got our usual, you know our usual. We've got chicken Dansak, Bombay, we've got Tandoori, some salad, and then the pilau rice is on the bottom. And then we've got some poppadoms here. Oh my god. When was the last time you had Indian food? When was the last time you had Indian food?
Can't remember. I don't have it as much as before.
Okay then. I swear you had it at Mom's house.
When?
You remember one?
No.
Oh my god, this food's baggy.
What did I eat at Mum's house? No, I haven't had this for ages.
They'll be tight with their mint sauce. They only gave us one little tub.
They acted like they don't read the comment. Do you know why? They thought you was doing it just to be, just so you get it for free.
Or maybe, because I added it as a comment. Because they don't have it in the menu. People are asking, yeah, why you haven't been making a video.
What, me?
On your channel, yeah.
Because I've been busy.
That's not an answer.
Yeah, I haven't had time to do it.
Okay, food is extra good today, you know.
Yeah, because it's Saturday. On Saturday, everyone has all their workers in.
Oh, because it's busy.
Yeah, it's busy. Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, I saw your video, Kushan.
What? Get it?
How the hell did you eat with your finger? No.
What, the Indian?
Yeah, I was watching it.
Well, have you tried it before?
No, I can't eat curry with your finger.
Yeah, you mix it with the rice, grab it. It was good.
Yeah, I saw how you licked all that plate with your finger.
Oh, look at that chicken. Oh my god.
Their poppadom's a bit dry today.
Okay.
Isn't it? It's a bit soft.
No, it's fine.
I remember when I had the Indian last. When you came around mine.
No.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah. That was the last time I had it. Yeah, it was.
Don't lie.
It was.
Don't do it. To the potato.
No, before I used to order it every other day.
So what happened now? Why are you not ordering? No discounts.
No. I just don't have time, innit? That's why. Well, I eat at Mum's house, that's why. Oh, it's spicy, innit?
No.
Yeah. Because of the mint sauce is less, that's why.
No, I can see what you're eating.
Yeah, I can.
You put that crisp in the way.
What are you doing?
People ask questions. Do you want to answer some questions?
No, you answer.
No, it's for both of us. You have to answer it. We won't answer all of them because she wants to eat in peace. Oh my god, there's 17 questions.
No, I'm not answering all of them.
I just put it up to there as well. Okay, so what did you study in school? Did you do A-levels?
Yeah, business.
So you studied business?
Yeah.
I studied health and social care. Favourite makeup item? What's the one thing that you have to use? I know what it is.
What?
Mascara.
Yeah.
She loves mascara. She can't go anywhere without it. Okay, what's your least favourite makeup item then? My favourite makeup item is probably eyebrows. What? Like to colour my eyebrows in.
Why?
Because even if I don't wear makeup, I'll do my eyebrows. So what's your least favourite? Something that you don't really care. Got lipstick. Same. I don't wear
Or
lipstick.
concealer. Doesn't matter.
You don't wear concealer. You don't care about it. And my one is lipstick. I don't wear lipstick.
It's good.
My husband's just moving the playhouse inside the house
This will schedule your floors.
for the kids. If you had to eat one dish for the rest of your life, what would it be? I love your channel, by the way. Thank you. Who's that from? It just says AK. So one dish you have to eat for the rest of your life. What is it?
Don't really know.
Mine's Turkish food. What's yours?
Don't know.
No, you can't say you don't know. What is
I
it?
don't know.
What is it? What do you mean you don't know? What do you love to eat? That you can have it for the rest of your life.
Chicken.
But what chicken like? Anything got to do with chicken?
Yeah. What are you doing? You're fighting.
Oh my god. Okay.
How many questions you asked so far?
2, 3? 3 of them. I'm skipping some because if you could choose any other country in the world to live in, which country would you be? Would you live, basically? I said this girl, she's so annoying, she keeps going, I don't know.
I can't think and eat.
No.
When you're starving, you just want to eat.
Come on. Is there a country that you want to live in?
Not really. I know what.
What?
Why don't you just eat your food and then put your phone down
No.
and enjoy it. And you can take your phone after you finish and then answer questions.
Can't do that. You have to eat and answer. That's the whole
Same
point.
thing.
It's not. I think I'll live here or Cyprus. Just because those are the 2 countries that we've been to.
What have you been?
I've been to Turkey as well.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't want to live in Turkey.
Yeah, but you've only went to like the thingy places.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to live there. I don't know, I think Cyprus or London basically here.
You won't live in Cyprus, I think.
I wouldn't live there, but obviously
After
they're
10 days,
asking.
you want to go back.
Yeah, that's because we've been living here our whole lives, that's why. How did your sister feel when you were born?
No, when I saw her, she was hairy.
That was good,
No.
That was good,
And you, same. You two, both hairy.
You was hairy as well.
You never even saw me when I was born.
You must have been hairy.
You've never even seen me when I was born.
How old was you then when I was born? How old was you?
Count.
You count. You're good at maths, go on.
I'm a bobcat. But anyways, I was old enough to see you. That hairy body of yours.
You chat shit.
No.
So, what did you think? When you saw, oh, because at her time, she was the only girl.
Yeah.
And she had 2 older brothers. No.
Yeah.
One older brother and one
He's
younger
only
brother.
1 year younger than me.
That's what I'm saying, so 3 of you lot.
Yeah.
And then I came out.
Yeah, hairy.
The best one. The best one out of the bunch, I say.
But everybody has their own opinion.
Listen, when she saw me, she thought, oh my god, yes, I've got a sister now. It's the best thing ever, okay? She's too young to think, oh god, she's hairy. You're too young to be thinking she's too hairy. What's your favourite food? Overall, you said Indian, didn't it?
Yeah.
Indian, her favourite food.
I don't say it, you said it for me.
You said it earlier.
No.
So is it Indian?
No.
What is it then?
What do you think?
Indian. I just said to you. I just said Indian.
Yeah, but I'll say it again.
Oh, people are gonna think you're so serious. But in reality, she's not like that. Do you want to tell them what you call me in public?
What?
What did you call me that time when we was in thingy? This was ages ago though. What did you call me that time when we was in Primark? You were shouting it out. Was it Primark?
What did I call you? No.
No. We was in Primark here. And she was calling, she was doing this and she was calling me out. She was going, Fanny! Do you like this, Fanny? No offense to anyone, his name is Fanny. Yeah, but she was calling me Fanny out loud.
Yeah, and then you'd reply.
Yeah, because I was used to it. You ruined that chicken.
No. You should do that video with what's it? Sushi. That's so nice.
People want me to do a sushi video, but I don't like sushi.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Maybe I haven't had the one I like.
No.
You know which one I think I'll like?
What?
I think I'll like deep fried sushi.
Well, we should go to the one in the centre.
What, the Yo Sushi one?
Yeah, the one I go to. But that don't count as sushi.
Why?
I mean, it's all cooked, isn't it?
Yeah, fried sushi.
You should eat what I eat.
What do you eat?
When I go.
What do you eat?
So nice.
What did you get?
And you know that I found that there's this
Why
place.
say? Don't say that.
Why?
Give it away, I'll fucking adjust, mate. Why giving away our flipping where we live? Are you mad? This girl, she's gonna get us like kidnapped. What the hell?
You must have eat that bit.
Yeah, I am gonna do that. Are you mad?
Why are you scoffing?
Why? If I don't eat fast enough, you're gonna bloody finish before me. What's my
Yeah.
getting stuffed, are you? Yeah, go on, what was you saying? In that place, yeah.
There's this place that I found. Oh my god, there's a bee!
You're an idiot, you know.
How can there be a bee in this room?
Yeah, because the window's open.
Oh yeah. Anyways. I have to stop laughing. I'm gonna pop.
Can't believe it, guys, she's popping already.
Okay, this
I thought, you know, you said you better finish your food, you know. Look, I'm actually finishing before you.
you left that dirty.
Yeah, go on, you were saying.
Okay, there's this place that I found.
Right.
And they got this menu thing, but obviously it's in the centre. And they got their sushi ready. You just pick what you want. But if you can't find what you want there, you tell them, they make it for you.
Okay, so fresh.
Yeah. And that's what I did 2 weeks ago.
Right. So what do you get from sushi then?
That's what I get.
What? Prawns.
I get crab and prawn.
Ooh.
Crab is nice. Tastes like chicken.
No.
I swear.
No.
I swear. If you try that cone thing that I get. Ask your followers, they'll tell you. Crab tastes like chicken, it's so nice. Sainsbury's do it, but just have all the thingy ones there.
What?
It's just the simple ones, isn't it, you get? When you go to Yo Sushi and other places like that, similar, you get different choices.
What's your favourite Turkish food, Gidja?
I'm just gonna have to lie. I say it's dolma.
Why?
Because I don't have a favourite.
That's so bad.
Alright.
I thought you just said you like kolakas.
Yeah, but it's not my favourite. I don't have a favourite.
You would just eat anything and you like it. It's just not your favourite.
Yeah.
I like fırın kebab. So like potato. Do you know that food that I've done before on my channel?
One that she's always eating roast chicken.
Not the roast chicken.
Yeah, but that's your favourite, don't lie. Your favourite
That's my
food is
favourite
that.
English food, yeah.
Mwah.
Not me, man.
Huh?
This food was banging. Money or love? Be honest. What is it?
What do you mean by love?
Like, would you rather choose love or money?
It's a silly question.
That's not.
That is.
It's not. Clearly, do you prefer money or love?
Obviously you need money. To get by.
So you love a bit money.
No, everyone loves money.
So you would choose money over your love.
What love, man? So would you pick? You pick money.
Love?
Don't lie.
I'll pick love.
No way.
I would.
So you're
Just
gonna do it without
because-
your food.
Just
We're
because.
gonna do it without your takeaway.
Listen,
She
guys.
loves money.
She loves a bit of money, alright? She's gonna choose money
that's her.
over her love. That's what she's going, what's love?
I'm asking you.
I'll choose a bit of love.
You see her a bit, she said. The rest is money.
Do you have a favourite childhood memory?
I'm full, but anyway, let's just eat your
Why are you eating my crisp for?
I like it.
So do you have a favourite childhood memory?
Don't know.
It must have been you trying to cut me hair.
What? And do you know what the best one was?
What?
Well, I coloured your hair. Permed it. And it went all from here, it shrunk up to here.
When you permed my hair?
Yeah, and I put blonde in it. I remember, and you were sitting in the living room crying.
Wait, there's so many times when you dyed my hair.
No, that day you wanted to perm your hair, and I was like, I'll do it for you.
Because
And
she
then
used to
you
do
coloured it as
hairdressing.
well. And then you sat in the living room because I said you looked like some woman in the pharmacy. Do you remember that? And you was crying. I was like, you looked like that old woman in the
In the what?
old Turkish woman.
Oh,
The pharmacy. She went to the pharmacy.
We're talking about
Do you remember? He was crying.
There was so many times
Do you
when she...
remember? She must have seen that. You must have seen that bit, I swear.
There was so...
remember that
No,
then?
I don't because...
Yeah, you were sitting in the living room, Mum goes, what's wrong with her? And I was Mum did shit like that woman in the pharmacy, her hair's
Wait,
curly
though.
as well.
I don't remember because there was so many times when you dyed my hair.
That
And I used to
permed
cry.
it though, no.
No.
That day I permed your hair, I've never permed
There was
it
so
before.
many times, yeah, guys, that she...
That day.
No, there was so many times when she dyed my hair a different colour and I sit in the living room and start
It
crying.
was on his red. It was burgundy red. That's why. I burned it, not blonde. It was baking. Do you remember? It was baking.
You're an idiot, man. Basically, yeah, guys, she dyed my hair so many times that
this.
every time she dyed my hair, I used to cry because it was disgusting. I hated it. I used to look like an old ass woman. Every time she used to dye my hair, it was nasty. I remember you dyed my hair light brown one time. I was crying.
Was it that one when I permed your hair then?
I don't know, but I was crying.
Your hair was up to here and it shrunk. Can't hear. But all curly was like, it just shook up.
You know, I'm older.
I thought you looked like that old woman. The fuck.
And she used to come in and go, it's nice. Why are you crying?
Oh my god.
Guys, she made me look so old. And it was disgusting.
Oh, you must delete this, you know.
Why should I delete it? It's funny. Look at that. Look at today. No. But yes, guys, I hope you guys...
that bit.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry that we couldn't go through all the questions as you saw. We're finished. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
Food, by the way.
Well, are you going to be posted on your channel or not?
What?
Are you going to be posted?
Yes, why don't you shout me out and add me at the bottom.
Do you see that, guys? She's trying to get credit. She doesn't even bother to make a video for you guys. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.
Bye.